Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to schedule an appointment at the Apple Genius Bar. Whether you need help with your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or any other Apple device, the Genius Bar is there to assist you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser or the Apple Support app. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device or launching the Apple Support app if you have it installed. Step 2. Navigate to the Apple Support website. If you are using a browser, go to the official Apple Support website at support.apple.com. Here, you will find many resources to help you with your Apple products. Step 3. Select Get Support. On the Apple Support homepage, look for the Get Support option and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can choose the type of assistance you need. Step 4. Choose your device or service. You will see a list of Apple devices and services. Select the device you need help with, such as iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch. This helps narrow down your options and addresses your specific needs. Step 5. Describe your issue. After selecting your device, you will be prompted to describe the issue you're experiencing. Enter specific keywords or phrases that relate to your problem. This information will help Apple direct you to the right solution. Step 6. Select Talk to Apple Support. Once you have provided details about your issue, you will have various support options. Choose the Talk to Apple Support option, which will guide you to scheduling an appointment. Step 7. Choose Genius Bar. On the next page, you'll see several support channels. Select the Genius Bar option. This will allow you to book a visit to your local Apple Store. Step 8. Select a location. You may need to enter your location to find the nearest Apple Store. Once you have selected your location, a list of nearby stores will appear. Step 9. Pick a date and time. Browse through the available dates and times for appointments at your chosen Apple Store. Select the one that works best for you. Step 10. Provide your information. Fill out your name, email address, and any other requested details. This information ensures the store has everything it needs for your appointment. Step 11. Confirm your appointment. Review your appointment details, then confirm your booking. You should receive a confirmation email with all the information about your appointment. Now you're all set. You've successfully scheduled your appointment at the Apple Genius Bar. If you have any further questions or issues, feel free to reach out to their support team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and tips, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thank you for watching.